So now next question, we are going to discuss the next type of question. In this type of question, the information of machinery or information of provision for bad and doubt, provision for depreciation will be given. Opening balance of the assets and opening balance of provision for depreciation will be given, and to that specific financial year the sale of assets will also be given, and you are requested to prepare the ledger of that assets, provision for depreciation and assets disposal account. This is for a 1 year only, 1 year, sometime it may be for 2 years. Okay, so see the question. You are given the following balances on 1st April 2015. So when it is given that you are given the following balances on 1st April 2015, it means it's an opening balance. So machinery account is 5 lakhs and provision for depreciation account is 1,16,000. These are the balance on 1st April 2015. So these are the opening balance for the financial year 2015-16 financial year. This is the opening balance which is given in the question. Depreciation is charged on machinery at the rate of 20% per annum by diminishing balance method. Diminishing balance method means retained on value method, you can say, or the other name of reducing balance method is diminishing balance method, reducing balance method, retained on value methods. These all name are same. So depreciation is charged on machinery at the rate of 20% per annum on diminishing balance method. A piece of machinery purchased on 1st April 2013 for rupees 1 lakh was sold on 1st October 2015 for rupees 60,000. Prepare machinery account, provision for depreciation account for the year ended 31st March 2016. So it's for only one financial year, which start from April 1st 2015 and closed on 31st March 2016. You also prepare machinery disposal account. So the opening balance of machinery and opening balance of provision for depreciation is given on 1st April 2015. So opening balance, machinery is an assets. You know the opening balance of machinery, which side we will write, debit side or credit side? Machinery is an assets. You know the all assets have a debit balance. So definitely we will write in the debit side 2015, year is 2015, on April 1st. To balance brought down. This will be what? To balance brought down. How much amount? The opening balance is of machine is 5 lakhs. This is given in the question. Opening balance of machinery on this date is given in the question. Okay, on 1st April 2015, opening balance of machinery is this much. So we have to write debit side because machinery comes under real account, and you know the all assets have a debit balance. Provision for depreciation is a liability. Provision for depreciation is a liability, you know, and all liability have a credit balance. So if the balance of provision for depreciation is given on 2015 April 1st, so we will write which side of the ledger? We will write the credit side of the ledger by balance brought down. The provision for depreciation is given 1,16,000. This is the provision for depreciation. Opening balance is given. So which side we will write, debit or credit? Credit side. Why credit side? Because provision for depreciation is a liability and all liability have a credit balance. all assets have a debit balance, all liability have a credit balance, all expenses have a debit balance, all incomes and gains have a credit balance. Okay, now come to the calculation regarding the machinery which was sold. So here the information is depreciation is charged at the rate of 20% per annum by diminishing balance method. So here we will calculate the depreciation of the machinery which was sold. Okay, which was sold. So the details are: a piece of machinery purchased on 1st April 2013, date of purchase is 1st April 2013, a piece of machinery of rupees 1 lakh was sold on 1st October 2015. So piece of machinery which was purchased for rupees 1 lakh is sold on 1st October 2015 and the rate of depreciation is 20% per annum on diminishing balance method. So we will find out the profit or loss on sale of machine. Okay, so come to the calculation. Less depreciation for 2013-14, financial year 2013-14. So on 1st April it was purchased, machine was purchased on 1st April 2013. So this machine is used for the 13-14 financial year for 12 months. So 20% is the depreciation rate. So 20% of 1 lakh is 20,000. 20% of 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the original cost, 20% is the depreciation. So it is 20,000. So 20,000 is the depreciation for the financial year 13-14. So written down value is on 1st April 2014 is 80,000. Well, now come to the next financial year. Less depreciation for 2014-15. Next financial year is what? 2014-15. So rate of depreciation is 20%. So 20% will be calculated on the written down value, because depreciation is 20% on diminishing balance method, means written down value method. So we will calculate the depreciation on reduced value, that is 80,000, 20% of 80,000. So it is 16,000 is the depreciation for the financial year 14-15. Now after deduction of the depreciation it is 64,000. So written down value on 1st April 2015 is 64,000. 2015 is 64,000. This machine is sold on 1st October 2015. Now we will calculate the depreciation of rupees 60,000 in this financial year, less depreciation for 2015-16 financial year. This machinery is sold on 1st October 2015. It means in between this financial year. This comes under this financial year 15-16. So we will calculate the depreciation. 64,000 is the written down value into 20 by 100 into from 1st October. In 1st October 2015 this machine was sold. So this machine is used in this financial year right from 1st April to 30th September for 6 months. So we will calculate the depreciation for 6 months. So depreciation will be 6,400 is the depreciation. 6,400. This is the depreciation for 6 months. We have calculated the depreciation for 6 months, this one. So after that written down value is 57,600 is the written down value on 1st October 2015. 1st October 2015. This machine is sold. This machine is sold for, at what amount? This machine is sold for, see the question, this machine is sold for, this machine is sold for rupees 60,000. This machine is sold for rupees 60,000, 60,000, which is more than the written down value, which is more than or above the written down value as on that date. So when it is more than the written down value on the date of sale, on the date of sale the written down value of the machine is 57,600 and it is sold for rupees 60,000 above than that, then this difference indicate the profit. So 2,400 is the profit on sale. Profit on sale is 2,400 is the profit on sale. Is it clear? Profit on sale is 2,400. Is it clear? 2,400 is the profit on sale. Now, it is clear up to this? Now we will prepare the machinery, ledger of machinery. So in the ledger of machinery, credit side 2015 October 1st, the machine which was sold will be transferred to machinery disposal account. Machinery disposal account. Disposal account. So original cost of the machine rupees 1 lakh will be transferred to machinery disposal account. Okay, and we will calculate the balancing figure on March 31st by balance carried down. So total of this side is 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs, debit side total is 5 lakhs. Same total I have written in the credit side, and difference is 4 lakhs is the balancing figure is the 4 lakh. This is the difference amount. 4 lakhs is the difference amount. Okay. This balance will be brought down in the next financial year 2016 April 1st to balance brought down. 4 lakhs will be brought down on the first day of the next financial year. Now come to the provision for depreciation. This ledger is completed. Now come to the provision for depreciation. Here the entry is for depreciation is depreciation account debit to provision for depreciation. So machine which was sold on October 1st, you write it over here on October 1st by depreciation account. So in 2015-16 depreciation is 6,400. Okay, and in 2015 October 1st to machinery disposal account, the total depreciation of machine sold will be transferred to machinery disposal account. Total depreciation of machine sold. So this one is the depreciation 20,000 first year, thereafter 16, thereafter 6,400. So total depreciation of machine sold is 42,400. 42,400 will be transferred to machinery. 42,400 will be transferred to machinery disposal account. Okay, 42,400 will be transferred to machinery disposal account. Thereafter we will calculate the depreciation on rest of the machinery by depreciation account. Okay, depreciation account on rest of the machine at the rate of 20% on diminishing balance method. So question is, what is the value of the rest of the machinery? Total machine is 5 lakhs. You see, total machine is 5 lakhs and the depreciation is machinery cost is, it is given, it is what it is, cost is 5 lakhs and the depreciation which is charged less depreciation which is charged is 1,16,000 plus 6,400. Okay, plus 6,400. So how much it is? 0,0421, 1,24,000, 1,22,400. Okay, 1,22,400. So 0,06,773 less the machinery which was sold, less. Now we will calculate the depreciation of the remaining machinery. So remaining machine is what? Balance of remaining machine, balance of remaining machinery. Total machine was 5 lakhs. Out of that 1 lakh machine is sold. So remaining machine in our hand is 4 lakhs. Is it clear? Remaining machine is 4 lakhs. Now less depreciation, because we have to calculate the depreciation on written down value. So depreciation is 1,16,000, previous balance 1,16,000. This much depreciation is charged in this current year and the depreciation which is transferred to assets disposal account of the machinery which was sold minus 42,400. 42,400. So we will find it out. So 1,16,000 plus 6,400. So it is 0,04221. Okay, minus 42,400 minus 42,400. So it is 80,000. So 80 will be deducted. This 80,000 is the depreciation of this remaining machine. So remaining machines written down value is this much, 3,20,000. So written down value of remaining machinery is how much? It is 3,20,000. Remaining machinery depreciation, written down value of remaining machine is 3,20,000. So we'll calculate the depreciation on this machine, 3,20,000 into 20%. So it is 64,000. Okay, 64,000. So we'll do the total. This side total is more, 0,04681, 1,84,000, 86,400, 1,86,400. So difference amount is 0,00441, 1,44,000. Is it clear? 1,44,000. So in 2016 March 31st we will find out the balance to balance carried down. This is 1,44,000. This will be brought down in the next financial year on April 1st by balance brought down 1,44,000. Is it clear? 1,44,000. This is the provision for depreciation balance on this date. The next ledger is machinery disposal account. So our focus will be here for preparing machinery disposal. This is the working of machinery disposal. Okay, machinery disposal. So this side, on which date machinery is disposed on? 2015 October 1st. 2015 October 1st to machinery account. To machinery account. How much it is? 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the machinery account. 1 lakh. Okay, this one will be transferred to machinery disposal account. While preparing the machinery account, I have written in the credit side, buy machinery disposal account 1 lakh. You see in the ledger of machinery, in credit side on October 1st, I have written buy machinery disposal account 1 lakh. So entry is machinery disposal account debit to machinery account. In the ledger of machinery, it is posted in the credit side, and in the machinery disposal, this will be posted in the debit side. Now total depreciation 2015 October 1st October by provision for depreciation account. So total depreciation, this one 20,000, 16,000, and the third year this much. Total depreciation 42,400 will be transferred to machinery disposal account. So entry is provision for depreciation account debit to machinery disposal account. This is the total depreciation of machine sold, which is transferred to machinery disposal account. This machine is sold for rupees by bank account. You see over here, it is sold for rupees 60,000. So by bank account 60,000, and there is a profit on sale. So this profit will be transferred this side on October 1st to statement of PL, to statement of profit and loss. It is what? It is profit on sale of machine. Profit on sale of machinery is 2,400. Now we will do the total. Both side total must be the same. You can verify from here. So 00421, 1,02,400, and this side is also 1,02,400. No balance carried down and brought down. Okay, this ledger never do the carried down. We never do the carried down and brought down because this has to be closed. So machinery disposal account is prepared separately to know the profit or loss of this machinery, and everything regarding the sale of machinery is highlighted in this or entered in the machinery disposal account. So we have discussed the machinery disposal account, provision for depreciation account and machinery account.